In dim sum houses, you can often find this particular noodle dish. By eating it, you will find tender and crispy green noodles. Start by marinating the meat. Cut 2 chicken breasts into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut in 2 pieces 1 onion, 200 grams of napa cabbage, 1 carrot, 100 grams of mushrooms, 1 green onion, 5 grams of cilantro, chop 4 cloves of garlic, grate 1 piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine. Add the 20 centiliters of water. Mix again. Dilute 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1 tablespoon of water. Here, I'll use 350 grams of dehydrated thin noodles. Put them in a pot of boiling water heated over high heat. As soon as we can disentangle them, drain them. It took 2 minutes. In a pan preheated over low heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Put the noodles, spread them well. Let them gently grill for about 5 minutes. When they are lightly golden, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Flip the noodles and leave for another 5 minutes, still on low heat. Put them on a large plate. Now, saute the marinated chicken. In the frying pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, the half of grated ginger, and the half of the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let them sear for 1 minute. Flip them over and leave for another minute. Then stir for 30 seconds. Keep aside. In the same pan heated over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the other half of the ginger and garlic. Stir from time to time. When they begin to be golden, add the onion and the carrot. Stir for 1 minute. Add the napa cabbage, the mushrooms, and the seasoning sauce. Briefly stir and put a lid. Leave 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Put the chicken, briefly stir. Add the cornstarch, stir for 20 seconds. Finally add the green onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the file. Put this preparation on the noodles. Enjoy without delay. Bon appétit! The pleasure of this dish comes from mixtures of textures between tender noodles and crispy noodles, mixture between the dry parts and those soaked in sauce, and mixture of flavors between vegetables, marinated chicken, and noodles. Thank you for watching. See you at the next homemade dish.